how to make a folder with a password in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how you can go in password protect your important files. Now the first thing you need to do is go in create a folder by right clicking somewhere on your desktop. You can then press new and go in select folder. Now you can decide to give this a folder a name. I'm just going to leave this as new folder. Now once you have the folder created, you can then go and place your files that you want to password protect. So let's say I wanted to password protect these two files here. We can simply go and move them into the folder like so. You could then double click to open your folder. And as you can see, here are our files. Now to go and password protect this, right click somewhere in the folder, click on new, and then select text document. You'll then need to go and double click on this file. Now within this text document, we need to copy and paste the following code. Now I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. Now, once you have this text in the file like so, you need to come down to where it says your password. So what we can do is go and change this with the password we want to protect our folder with. So I'm just going to type in trees, which is going to be my password, but you can go and type in anything here. You then need to click on File in the top of the page and press Save As. Now, where it says Save as Type, click on the drop-down arrow and you need to select all files. This is really important. You then need to click on the file name and then type in protect.bat and then go and press Save. Now, once you've done this, go and close out of the notepad and you can see we now have this file here. Now, before we go and open this, you can actually now just delete this text document. So I'm going to delete that like so. You could then go and double click on this protect file. And as you can see, it will create a folder called private. Now this is our password protected folder. So what you can do is go and move those files into this folder like so. And then go and double click on this file once again. And it will say, are you sure you want to lock this folder? Type in Y and press enter. Now, as you can see, the folder has completely disappeared. So if you want to go and now access this folder, you'll need to double click on the file. And then you'll need to enter the password in order to unlock the folder. So I'm going to type in my password, which was trees. And as you can see, the folder will now reappear and we can go and enter this folder. So that's how to create a password protected folder in Windows 11.